Hey guys, Russ here with Team Russ at Coldwell Banker. I wanted to ask you a few questions. How many times a week do you work out? Is it in your personal schedule? Do you treat it just like brushing your teeth every morning? Now you might be wondering, what's a real estate agent doing talking about fitness? Well, stay here and I'll share with you my personal story. So I started working out in 2014, about 4 years into my real estate career. And while I was crazy passionate about helping my clients achieve their real estate goals, my energy level just wasn't on par with my desired output. That's when I reached out to Eddie Shreddy. After carefully crafting a meal plan and workout schedule, I immediately saw amazing results. In just 6 months, I lost over 20 pounds of fat. And in just 3 years, I looked absolutely amazing. What a huge change from when I started. So whether you're in real estate or any other professional, your health and body should be your number one priority. You owe it to yourself and to the clients you're working with or the product that you're working on. So with this video, I'm including a list of all the local fitness centers, along with links to local meal plan providers that you can contact if you want to get started. So hopefully this video was helpful to you and I'm fit and energized for any of your real estate goals. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.